Hi, I'm Nazreen from EqualiTeach. We're a not-for-profit equality training and consultancy organisation, offering workshops for young people, adult training including online learning, consultancy, an equalities award scheme for schools, and we produce lots of free educational resources as well. All of our resources can be found on our website. Today's activity is taken from our resource, Free to Be. This resource has been produced as part of a year-long project funded by the Government Equalities Office, which has seen EqualiTeach work with 27 primary schools in Greater London. Free to Be offers a complete strategy for transforming the whole school environment into a space committed to embedding LGBT+ equality and tackling homophobic, biphobic and transphobic bullying. The activity we're looking at today is called What Makes a Family and can be found on page 58. This activity can be done at home or at school with children who are in Key Stage 2. The activity aims to support young people to understand that not all families look the same, to introduce the words gay, lesbian and bisexual, and help young people understand that some families have two parents who are men or two parents who are women. And finally, to celebrate the difference in family and recognise that every family is special and unique. Before starting the activity, it would be helpful to read pages 8 to 13 of the resource, as this gives you some extra information about the LGBT+ community. For instance, there is a list of terminology for talking about LGBT+ topics that might come up during the What Makes a Family activity. So, let's get started with the activity. The guidance in this resource is based on delivering this in a classroom setting, but this activity is easily done at home with a family member or carer. To begin, explain that young people will be given cards with pictures of different groups of people on them. Ask the young people to work as a group, in pairs or individually, to sort them into pictures that show a family and pictures that don't show a family. It is important for young people to have reasons behind their decisions. Ask the young people to feed back their decisions, questioning why they think it is a family. Following these discussions, write down the word family in a bubble and ask the young people what they think makes a family. Write up the key words. This may include answers such as providing support, caring for each other, or having fun together. Young people may also suggest ideas such as having brothers or sisters, or having a mum and dad. This is a great opportunity to probe young people into questioning this idea that all people have brothers and sisters, mums and dads in their families. Introduce young people to the terms gay and lesbian in an age-appropriate way and explain that some people have two mums or two dads. Ask the young people to look back at the pictures and lead them to the conclusion that all the pictures could be a picture of a family. Explain how all families can be different, and that's a good thing. It means that we are all unique and interesting. We might live with one parent, with an auntie or an uncle. We might have step-parents, two mums or two dads, or we might live with a foster carer, or with lots of different people. Our families are not just the people we live with, but the people that provide us all these other things. Refer back to the word that the young people have come up with. If you have time, ask the young people to draw pictures of their families with a descriptor of what makes them unique. Note, sensitivity needs to be taken for young people who may be separated from their families. So that's the activity, What Makes a Family. Here are our final top tips. Take some time to prepare for the activity and think about the topic and what questions might come up. Be sure that you don't introduce young people to words if you don't know what they mean, for example, gay, lesbian or bisexual. Be mindful of your language to ensure that it is inclusive. There may be young people in the room who identify as LGBT+, which you may or may not be aware of, or who may have LGBT+ family members, so we want to make sure everyone feels safe and included. For more guidance on conducting effective conversations on controversial issues, you can read pages 17 to 20 of our Universal Values resource, also available free of charge on our website. And finally, please share your work with us and let us know what you think of the activity. We are on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook as @EqualityTeach, and you can hashtag #WhatMakesAFamily and free2be. Stay safe and enjoy the activity. Thank you.